Hi everyone, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I'm here to give you a walkthrough of a standard 2-queen room at Loews Royal Pacific Resort at Universal Orlando. So as we first come in the door, on our left here, we have a nice sized closet. As you can see here, we have several pieces of luggage that we have comfortably stored in this closet. There's also some nice shelving space up at the top, several hangers. Of course, you have a full-sized ironing board with an iron, and you also have a safe, which is nice if you have anything that you need to store a little bit more securely during your stay. As we pan over to our right here, you'll see the bathroom space. This does have a single sink, some nice storage space on this shelf down here at the bottom, and it does come equipped with a hair dryer. It also has a nice large mirror, which is great for getting ready in the morning. The shower and toilet area is actually separated from the sink area with this sliding pocket door. You can see it has a nice frosted glass detail, which lets a little bit of light in there. These bathrooms have been fairly recently redone, and you can see that Royal Pacific does have these nice walk-in showers. Pretty good size. You have both a handheld as well as a regular shower head. You also have storage space. You also have a little ledge there if you were to need it. And also in this shower, little tip that a lot of people don't often know, that is actually a clothesline. So you can actually extend that line all the way over to there, and that gives you a great place to hang up bathing suits or anything else, maybe towels that you want to dry off during your stay. Obviously, this is the toilet area. And as we make our way back out into the heart of the room, we have 2 queen beds here. The theming of this resort is Polynesian, and so you have this nice little tiki detail here, and also that Polynesian theming in a lot of the rest of the room. These rooms sleep 4, but you can actually accommodate a 5th person. That would require the rental of a rollaway bed, which is an additional nightly charge that's paid to the front desk directly at check-in. We have a nice wooded area view here. There are also water view rooms at this resort. There's also club level as well. Here we have some beautiful artwork, as well as a little workspace. There are some plugs here, regular outlets, as well as some USB ports. There's also another nice big mirror here, as well as another little space to sit down. And over here, we have a good amount of storage. Nice size flat screen TV. 3 drawers on this side. 3 more over here. And then in this middle section is our mini fridge, as well as our coffee maker. This particular mini refrigerator does not have a freezer section, so it is just the actual refrigerator. This Keurig comes equipped with some K-cups, but you can obviously bring your own if you would prefer to do so. So again, this is a standard 2-queen room at Loews Royal Pacific Resort at Universal Orlando.